Guys, in this video, I'll guide you what is application load balancer in Google Cloud Platform, why it is required in GCP, and what are the types of application load balancer in Google Cloud Platform. Let's get started. Guys, application load balancer in GCP are powerful tool that acts as traffic director for your web application and APIs. They distribute incoming requests across your backend instance server efficiently, ensuring smooth performance and high availability even during peak traffic periods. Application load balancer operates at layer 7 or application layer. It means it understands HTTP and HTTPS traffic and can make routing decision based on URL path, query string, cookies, other application specific criteria. Application load balancer offer flexible routing based on application logic, allowing content switching, testing, and personalized user experience. Application load balancer can handle SSL and TLS offloading, reducing workload on backend server and potentially improving performance. Offer feature like web application firewalls for enhanced security. Application load balancer offer the functionalities beyond simple traffic distribution, including SSL offloading. It means guys takes over the computational intensive task of SSL and TLS encryption and decryption from your backend server, improving performance. Content switching serve different version of your application content based on your specific criteria, allowing for application load balancing testing or localized version. Then health check continuous monitor the health of your backend instance and automatically redirect traffic away from unhealthy ones and ensuring service continuity. Security features enhance the application security with web application firewalls and other security policies. Application load balancer are well suited for various scenarios, including guys web application distribute traffic across server instance for a responsive and scalable web experience. APIs efficiently handle API requests with advanced routing based on path, parameter, and other factors. Microservices architecture route traffic to the specific microservices based on their functionalities within the application. Global deployments deliver a consistent user experience for geographical dispersed user by routing traffic to the closest available instance. Guys, application load balancer can be deployed external or internal depending on whether your application is internet facing or internal facing. Application load balancer further divided into guys two types: external application load balancer and internal application load balancer. Let's discuss about external application load balancer. External application load balancer are implemented as managed service either on Google frontends. Client can connect to this load balancer from anywhere on the internet. This load balancer can be global or regional. For global external application load balancer, only the premium tier is supported. For regional external application load balancer, only the standard tier is supported. Guys, application load balancer use the open source Envoy proxy to enable advanced traffic management capabilities. Let's discuss about the internal application load balancer. Guys, internal load balancer provide internal proxy based load balancing of application layer data. You specify how traffic is routed with URL maps. The load balancer can use an internal IP addresses that is accessible only to the clients in the same VPC network or client connected to your VPC network. Guys, this load balancer can be regional or cross region. Regional internal application load balancer support only regional backend. Cross-region internal application load balancer support the global backend are always globally accessible. Client from Google Cloud region can send traffic to the load balancer. Now guys, I hope so you understand what is application load balancer in GCP.